Greetings! Today we will dive deep into Binance, the largest cryptocurrency exchange leading in global trading volumes. We'll guide you through registration, verification, funding your account, and starting to trade, from spot trading to futures with leverage up to 125. Plus, through our partner link in the description, you can get bonuses upon registering on Binance. Buy any cryptocurrency for at least $50 and get a $100 voucher for fee coverage. Binance is a leading platform for cryptocurrency trading, ranked #1 in trading volumes and user count. It offers a variety of earning opportunities, spot and futures trading, with leverage up to 125, margin trading, trading bots, launchpads and launch pools for investing in new tokens, and an NFT marketplace. KYC verification is required for full access to features, including P2P and withdrawals. The interface is available in light version for beginners and pro version for professionals, with support for various languages and dark light themes. The trading terminal includes TradingView charts and an order book. Binance supports stablecoins like USDT, BUSD, and USDC. Its native token, BNB, provides a 25% discount on fees and is used for paying margin interest. Deposits and withdrawals can be made via P2P without fees or external wallets like MetaMask in Binance Smart Chain, Ethereum, or TRC20 networks. Binance has gone mainstream, and you can find our top cryptocurrency exchanges list in the video description. To start earning on Binance, you need to register. It takes just a couple of minutes. Follow the link in the description or download the app from the Play Store or App Store and click register. Enter your email or phone number and create a strong password. Check the box to agree to the terms. And if you wish to receive news and promotions from Binance, click create account and enter the verification code sent to your email or phone. If you already have an account, click login or use a QR code for quick access. After logging in, select the Pro version for full functionality. After registration, complete KYC verification to gain full functionality. Go to your account, click on the profile, and select verification. Choose identity verification and upload a document, passport, driver's license, or ID card. Follow the instructions. Take a photo of the document and a selfie. Submit the data for verification. The process takes a few minutes, and confirmation usually arrives within a day. After KYC, you can fund your account via P2P, trade futures, and withdraw funds to a card or external wallet. To start trading on Binance, you first need to fund your account. Funding with cryptocurrency. Open the wallet, deposit section. Select a coin like USDT and the network, TRC20, Binance Smart Chain, or Ethereum. Binance will show your wallet address, click copy, go to your cold wallet, Trust Wallet MetaMask, or another exchange and make the transfer. After blockchain confirmation, check your balance. Funding via P2P. Select the P2P section, specify the currency and payment method. Binance will show a list of sellers. Look for a rating above 95% and at least 500 trades. Click buy USDT, make the transfer through your banking app and confirm the payment. Once the seller confirms, USDT will be credited to your account. Buying through an online exchanger. Go to BestChange, a verified exchanger aggregator. Choose your payment method and what you want to receive. Select an exchanger, follow the payment instructions. In a few minutes, USDT will be credited to your Binance account. The funding is successful. Let's continue. Withdrawing funds is quite similar to the deposit process, but there are a few differences. Withdrawal to a crypto wallet. Go to Wallet, Withdraw. Choose the coin and network. Paste the external wallet address and specify the amount. Confirm with a code and wait for the transaction to process in the blockchain. Withdrawal to a card via P2P. Select the P2P section, go to the Sell tab. Indicate the amount, currency, and your bank. Wait for the funds to arrive on your card and confirm the transaction. Ensure the accuracy of addresses and only confirm transactions after receiving the funds. Visit our Telegram channel to get 5 free video lessons about cryptocurrency and managing your funds. Link in the description. Once the funds are in your Binance account, you can start trading. The platform supports 2 key modes, spot and futures. Spot trading is the direct purchase of cryptocurrency. Ensure the necessary funds are in your spot wallet. If needed, transfer them via wallet, transfer to your spot account. Then open Trade, Spot, and choose a trading pair, for example, BTC, USDT. On the right, you'll see a form for buying, selling, and below is the order book with other participants' orders. Choose the order type. Market, execute it at the current price, or limit, set your desired price and wait for execution. After buying, check the balance in wallet, Spot. To sell, open Spot again, choose the pair, click Sell, select Market, enter the amount, and confirm. Futures trading involves trading contracts without owning the actual asset. Profits are made on rising, long, or falling short prices. First, transfer funds to the futures account, USDTM via wallet. Transfer. Go to Trade, Futures, and choose a pair, for example, ETH USDT. Before opening a position, set the margin mode, isolated margin. Only the amount allocated to the specific position is at risk. Cross margin. The entire available balance is at risk, which is higher. For beginners, it's safer to start with isolated margin. Next, set the leverage. For example, 10x. You manage a position 10 times your deposit. Leverage increases both profit and potential loss. Choose the direction. Long if you expect a rise, short if a fall. Determine the order type, market, entry at the current price, limit, entry at your specified price. It's recommended to set take profit for locking in profits and stop loss for limiting losses. It's crucial to monitor the liquidation price. If reached, the exchange will close the position forcibly. As leverage increases, the liquidation price gets closer to the current price. Example scale. With a deposit of 10 USDT and leverage of 10x, you operate a position of 100 USDT. In a sharp move against you, the position could be liquidated and the invested funds lost. Additional Binance services. Staking is the locking of coins to earn income, similar to interest on a deposit. On the home page, select the Earn section in the top menu. A list of available assets with yields and product types, flexible or fixed, will open. At the bottom are your active stakings. Find USDT and click on it. A window with a description and settings will open. Fixed. Funds are locked for a term, for example, a month, cannot be withdrawn until the term ends. Income is fixed. Flexible. Can be withdrawn at any time, but the rate is lower. The estimated annual yield, for example, 5% for flexible, will be shown on the right. Click Stake. Income accrual will start. View results in My Stakings. Launch Pool is a way to earn new tokens before their listing. The Launch Pool page shows a list of projects with yields and terms. At the bottom are your active participations. Go to the Launch Pool tab, select the current project, open its page. On the left is the description, on the right is the field for entering the amount and reward statistics. Enter the amount, check the expected reward, and click Stake. After the campaign ends and the listing, you'll receive the tokens in your spot wallet. View in Wallet Symbios Spot. Copy trading allows you to replicate the trades of successful traders, spot or futures. You choose a trader based on their publications and statistics, specify an amount, for example 100 USDT, and the system duplicates their trades, buying, selling, and pair selection, for example BTC USDT. Interface, on the left, trader profiles, on top, filters by profitability, success rate, profit for 7, 30, 90 days, at the bottom, your copied portfolios with current profit and buttons, adjust or close. How to start. Open the homepage, select Trade, Menu, 3 lines, Copy Trading. Compare traders by statistics. For example, profitability plus 50% over 30 days, number of trades. Choose a trader, click Copy, enter the amount, minimum example 10 USDT, select the market. Spot or futures with leverage, for example 5x, and click Start Copying. Track progress in My Portfolios. For each portfolio, see active pairs, current P&L, and management buttons, adjust, close, share. Click More to view the trade composition. A grid bot is an automatic spot strategy that trades within a specified price corridor, constantly placing limit orders, buying at lower levels and selling at upper levels. You set the pair, for example BTC USDT, price range and number of grids. The bot will create evenly distributed orders and manage them. Interface shows, on the left, a price chart with the range, on top, pair filters, BTC USDT, ETH USDT, on the right, settings fields, range, grids, amount. At the bottom, your bots with profit, floating P&L, and buttons, adjust or close. How to set up a grid bot? On the homepage, Trade, 3 dots, Spot, Trading Bots. Select Grid Bot from the list. In the settings panel, choose the pair, for example, BTC, USDT. Specify the lower price and upper price. Example, $100,000 and $120,000. Number of grids, for example, 40, and amount, for example, 500 USDT. Check the parameters in the confirmation window and confirm start. The bot will begin operation. Results and statistics can be tracked in the strategies section. Each bot shows the pair, current profit, floating P&L. The DCA Bot is a tool for regular automated purchases according to a fixed plan. Dollar cost averaging. Instead of trying to guess the perfect entry point, the bot splits your budget into parts and buys according to a schedule or upon reaching specified price levels. This reduces emotional decisions and averages the entry price during dips, while you benefit from already purchased shares during rises. Advantages. No need to catch the perfect moment. Averaging reduces the average purchase price during dips. Automation eliminates emotional mistakes. How to set up. Trade, Spot, Trading Bots. Select DCA Bot. Specify the pair, for example, BTC USDT, total amount, and strategy parameters. Amount per purchase, for example, 100 USDT, price interval for additional purchases, for example, $500, or frequency, for example, daily. Check the minimum amount, click Create. The bot will execute according to the set rules. Binance Pay is a fast and free way to transfer funds within the Binance ecosystem and pay with partners. The service allows you to send cryptocurrency by user ID, address, or QR code. Transactions are instant and fee-free, with funds going directly to the recipient's wallet. Main advantages: instant and fee-free transfers. Send cryptocurrency by address, user ID, or simply by scanning a QR code. Funds go directly to the recipient's Binance wallet. Key use cases: transfer to friends or clients within Binance. Payment for goods and services with trading partners. Spend bonuses and earnings. For example, from staking, directly through Pay. How to use. In the app or on the website, open Wallet, Binance Pay. Select the Send tab, transfer to user, or Pay, store payment. Specify the coin and amount, enter the recipient's ID or scan a QR code, confirm the transfer. Status and history are visible in the transaction log. The Web3 Wallet by Binance is a built-in wallet for interacting with dApps, NFT marketplaces, gaming, and DeFi services. When created, an address and a 12-word seed phrase are generated. This is the only way to recover access, so store it securely and don't disclose it. This wallet gives you full control over your keys and allows direct connection to decentralized services and participation in Web3 activities, creating a Web3 wallet. In the Binance app, open the Wallets section and select Web3 Wallet. Click Create Wallet. The system will provide a 12-word seed phrase. Write it down on paper and store it securely. Confirm the phrase by arranging the words in the correct order. After confirmation, the wallet is ready for use. Capabilities of the Web3 Wallet: store cryptocurrencies and tokens under your control. Connect to decentralized applications, dApps, without intermediaries. Participate in staking and yield farming. Transfer funds to other users. In conclusion, the Web3 Wallet is not just a storage solution, but a tool for engaging with the Web3 ecosystem. In a separate video, we have shown in detail how to manage the wallet, connect to dApps, and earn with them. Link in the description. Learning, Binance Academy. In the app, tap the icon with 3 dots. From the list, choose Binance Academy. A menu with categories will open. For example, blockchain, NFT. Go to blockchain, scroll through the materials, and select an article or video such as what is blockchain, Binance support, Format: 24/7 chat, instant responses, and tickets for more complex inquiries. How to contact support. On the homepage, scroll down to Support, choose Chat or Create Ticket, enter the issue and submit. Click More next to a ticket to view the correspondence and operator's response. And that wraps up our review of Binance, one of the most powerful and functional crypto exchanges on the market. It truly has everything, from a user-friendly interface and advanced analysis tools to a wide selection of trading pairs and passive income opportunities. If you're looking for a platform where you can trade comfortably and earn steadily, Binance deserves your attention. Now it's your turn. Tell us in the comments which exchange you personally use and why. Share your experiences, compare, debate, because the best ideas are born in dialogue. If you found this material useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comment. Your support is the fuel for new episodes and helpful guides. Wishing you big profits and confident trades.